Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn any photo into a birthday candle blowing animations using an AI app called Dreamface. It's super fun, realistic, and perfect for birthday greetings or creative social media posts. And okay, don't worry, this tutorial is beginner friendly and you can do it for free. First, just open your Dreamface. If you don't have it yet, just open the Play Store and then just download the app. And once you installed, just open it and log in using your Google account. It's really quick, no complicated setup needed. And then here's the bonus tip. Dreamface will give you free credits every week so you can create several animations without paying anything. And then next, once you're on the home page like this, just tap on Magic Effect, this one. This is where all the fun templates live. And then just scroll to until you find the one that called Happy Birthday. This one, just tap on it. This effect will make your photo look like it's blowing out candles. And then complete with animation, facial movement, and realistic expressions. It's perfect for making a digital birthday wish for your friends or maybe family or even yourself. Next, just select your photo. Just choose a clear photo of yourself or the person that you want to animate. Make sure the face is well lit and looking forward. In this tutorial, I will just use this photo since I used it before. And then just tap on create. But if you want to upload another photo, just tap on plus button and then just choose your photo. And then after that, just tap on create. And okay, like this. Just there you go, your animated birthday photo is ready. And then if you like it, you can just tap on download or just share it directly to your social media. And okay, that's it. You have just created a birthday candle blowing animation from a single photo using Dreamface. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.